Elon Musk in a $50,000 house. Houses can be very pretty depending on someone's preference. Well, join us today on our new video as we talk about why Elon Musk lives in a $50,000 house. But before then, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bar to be notified every time we upload a new video. This one intriguing topic you do not want to miss out on. Stay tuned to the end. I know a lot of us have heard about Elon Musk, but for those who haven't, watch out for the next part as I give you a brief overview about Elon Musk. Who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk FRS is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He's a founder, CEO, and chief engineer at SpaceX, early-stage investor, CEOs, and product architect of Tesla. As one of the world's richest men, Elon Musk can easily afford to drop hundreds of millions of dollars on any lavish home he wants. Instead, the multi-billionaire is living in a $50,000 tiny home in Boca Chica, Texas, where his SpaceX headquarters are located. Where income tax and living standards are affordable to any class. The question in your mind is, why would he do that, especially when he has a lot of money? Musk, who has an estimated net worth of a mind-blowing $160.4 billion, he can literally live anywhere he pleases and get the most tackiest condo. But he chose the $50,000 house. Due to his humble abode, he said, "My primary home is literally a $50,000 house in Boca Chica Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's kinda awesome though," he wrote on Twitter. Now, a recent report by fan blog Teslarati and the New York Post reveals that said house is actually a foldable, prefabricated home made by Boxable, a housing startup company. Its decor is eye-pleasing but simple. It seems he wants to go simple. Stay tuned to know why he has chosen this. Elon Musk reportedly lives in a $50,000 prefab tiny home that already has a 100,000 unit wait list. See inside a unit. The Las Vegas company Boxable is creating the $49,500 casita, a 375 square foot prefab tiny home. Take a tour inside the tiny home, which has a bedroom, bathroom, living room, and kitchen. Tiny homes have become an undeniably popular alternative to the classic family home or apartment. The exterior of the casita in a manufacturing space. The exterior of the casita, Boxable. The little living units have become popular and seem to have attracted the attention of one of the world's richest men. What's Elon Musk's objective? When a man who can buy any house in the world chooses to rent a box that costs less than your average manufactured mobile home, which is around $88,000, in case you're interested, there must be a reason. And in this case, there is, and we need to know. Elon Musk has a hidden not agenda to make the Earth greener through electric cars, Tesla, and to put people on Mars through his company, SpaceX. To do this, Musk wants to free up his expensive assets, and that includes selling all his mansions that he had, except for one California Bay Area event space that he still keeps. Musk calls his rented box near the SpaceX test site in Boca Chica, Texas, home. About the box, Musk calls home. Coincidentally, back in November, Boxable uploaded a YouTube video with founder Galileo Turamani saying they installed a casita in Boca Chica for a top-secret customer. At first, people did not know it was actually Musk who was their customers, because the billionaire with a lot of condos would be buying a mobile Boxable movable house. Musk lives in a Boxable casita, a 400 square foot attractive prefabricated and foldable home, so compact that a Tesla Model X luxury SUV can tow it. It's made of concrete panels and steel and is easy to install and move about with. The house can be easily towed by a Model X. People can customize a Boxable casita any way they like, but Elon Musk chose the base unit and set it up like a studio apartment. There is one large room that's partitioned off to include a living room, bedroom, full kitchen, and bathroom with a shower and tub. Boxable makes accessory dwelling units, ADUs, that you can set up anywhere that allows them. For $50,000, you get a place to live, but you need to have the land on which to put this house, including utility hookups. The stylish fixtures of the Boxable. Particular attention to detail has been paid to the fixtures, from the matte black faucet and shower head to the glass basin bowl. plus that walk-in shower feels anything but tiny. While this stylish pocket-sized pad is a serious downsize for the multi-billionaire tech titan, Elon is definitely not slumming it. Elon Musk's future vision. As for this $50,000 humble abode, Musk is unlikely to buy million-dollar digs in the future. He has said his plan is to not own a home. Who needs one when Mars is calling? To call Musk a busy man is an understatement. He has downsized his house to concentrate on his ambitions and dreams. The CEO is currently studying ways in which he could minimize traffic flow. Elon chose this particular house so that it could act as a place for product testing. This is quite amazing because he could easily purchase a room or even a place specifically for that. Musk is just trying to fit his budget well so that he can account for every single shilling without feeling like it's a waste. He has worked hard for his money and everything he owns, and it's fair to not question his decisions on how he handles his money. Why is Elon Musk living a simple life? Apart from Musk, other billionaires are living simple lives in very simple homes. This will get you to ask yourself a lot of questions as to why they actually prefer simple houses to big mansions. Here's the reason why. Musk is a very smart man, and he understands that if his companies go bankrupt, it will also affect him, and he would also succumb to bankruptcy. This is so smart, and it's one of the many reasons that shows why the rich keep on earning more and being rich. This part is just about to get more interesting. Stay tuned for the coming part. Considering billionaire Musks having 8 real estate elegant and lavishing condos in New York. Wow, this is very cool. Elon has chosen to invest in real estate as a way to keep on earning more money. He has left one house because he considers it to be a special home. This is understandable because, that is his property after all. He understands why he did that. And if making life multiplanetary weren't enough, he's trying to solve traffic congestion with the Boring Company and wants to make humans smarter by implanting tiny wires with Neuralink. How mind-blown are you right now? This particular invention could be good and also bad, because artificial intelligence, AI, could be quite dangerous. But this is a topic to talk about some other date, or you might as well discover more about it. Then there's his electric car company Tesla, which has a gigafactory under construction in Austin. Isn't this awesome, guys? Elon Musk is just something else. With all these, we can see that his level of intelligence is quite high. His girlfriend Grimes confirms she has also moved to the Texas capital. She's standing by to support her billionaire boyfriend. Musk is not the only billionaire to live frugally. Watch out for this coming part as we also look at some of the billionaires who live a simple life. Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg famously has a wardrobe of simple, gray shirts that are more than simple. One of the most successful investors of all time, Warren Buffett, often eats breakfast at McDonald's and still lives in the same house in Omaha that he bought for $31,500. The most successful entrepreneurs don't just dream big, they're ruthlessly committed to their work to the point of putting everything on the line to make what might appear to be far-fetched dreams to others their reality. We can come to an agreement that hard work without commitment bears little or no fruit at all. Watching the money routine of billionaires will make you understand why they never lack money. Achieving the various goals and aims doesn't just mean going all in financially, but going all in when it comes to all facets in the pursuit of a bigger goal. It's the founders, like Elon Musk, who do the unheard of, who managed to do the unthinkable and unpredictable. Conclusion. From Elon Musk, we get to understand that intelligence and creativity go hand in hand. But what do you really think about this? Leave a comment for us in the comment section about your opinion on this matter. Billionaires like Musk and the rest prefer to have a simple life. You don't have to keep proving that you're rich. Musk emulates a good example to people by that simple life he lives. This makes quite a lot of people think that billionaires are ultimate economists, but no, they aren't. All they're doing is protecting their future, which is quite admirable. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please extend your kindness and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, peace out.